You reached a verdict?
Yes, we have, Your Honor. We, the jury, find the defendants, Reuben Carter and John Artis, guilty on all counts.
Order in the court. Order. The bailiff will see to it that order prevails. Reuben Carter, John Artis. For the murder of James Oliver, it is the court's sentence that you be imprisoned for the remainder of your natural life. Second count, the murder of Fred Nyack. You are sentenced to be imprisoned for the remainder of your natural life. As to the third count, involving the murder of Hazel Tannis, it is the sentence of this court that you be imprisoned for the remainder of your natural life. Your clothes, your shoes, your ring, your watch, and whatever else you've got in that bag. You are being issued a standard inmate uniform with your numbers sewn on it so that we can identify you immediately. Then you go to have your facial hair shaved. You know the rules.
No, I can't do it, Warden.
I beg your pardon.
I cannot do it. Look, you have legal custody over my body, but I'm innocent. I've committed no crime. The crime's been committed against me. And I will not wear the clothes of a guilty man. I'll go anywhere you want me to go in this penitentiary, Warden. But you let it be known in no uncertain terms that any man who tries to put his hands on me...
This place is where we tell you the rules. You hear that? Do you understand me? Do you? Because if you do, you had better strip right now and put on that fucking uniform.
I can't do that.
Put this man in the hole. Give him sufficient time to reflect on how he intends to behave in this institution. 90 days.